My name is Monica Serra, and I am joined by Priya Palta, and we are the co-chairs of the American Heart Association EPI-Lifestyle Scientific Sessions 2025. We want to welcome you to New Orleans and also spend some time telling you about the agenda and the programming that we have for this year. The theme is cardiovascular health across borders, global data, local solutions, and we picked this topic really because we're interested in how do we look at global data in order to really understand the disparities that are around the world related to cardiovascular health, and how do we identify the barriers that there are, the gaps in the literature, and also how do we inform interventions going forward so that we can implement policies in order to improve cardiovascular health at the local level. In addition, for that, we have three speakers. We have Dr. Salim Virani, Dr. Jennifer Carter, and Dr. Renu Garg, and they will be kind of telling this story about their work and how we expand from global health all the way to how are some of these, the processes that they're doing being implemented at the local level. Beyond that, we have several lectureships. We have that span various topics, so nutrition, preventive cardiology, cardiometabolic risk prediction, and as well, we also have the annual debate, which is a highlight to me. It is looking at the planet versus the plate, so the idea of sustainable nutrition, and whether we can do that from a global perspective or whether there are some considerations that need to be had in order to really provide recommendations that are global to everybody while also being considerate of the environment. And I will now turn it over to Priya to talk about some of the other aspects.
Welcome everybody to New Orleans. I wanted to highlight some of the events and sessions that are going to be going on at this year's 2025 conference. I am particularly excited about the social determinants of health session that's going on this year. This year it's going to be highlighting the Jackson Heart study for part of the session, which will talk about the contributions that the cohort has made in its 25 years of follow-up to understanding social risk factors for cardiovascular disease. Additionally, in that session, there's going to be 3 other talks that are going to highlight different aspects of social determinants of health across diverse populations. I'm also really excited about the Aging and Brain Health session, which is going to highlight cardiovascular risk factors for dementia, particularly physical activity. There are also going to be talks on looking at daily multivitamin use and how that impacts biological aging. But one of the things that I love about this conference and I'm really excited about is really the networking opportunities. And so I would really encourage all of you to attend the roundtables that are occurring every day during the morning break from 10 to 10:30. And this is really an opportunity for everyone, early career investigators, trainees, all attendees to meet the keynote speakers, meet the debate speakers, the lecturers, but also to find out more about different cohort studies that are going to be presented at the conference, to learn a little bit about how to get involved with the AHA. And then also I just wanted to highlight the exciting opportunities of additional networking opportunities through the poster sessions. And I think that's just a really great way to talk informally about science and meet all of your colleagues that are also attending the conference. And that's occurring starting today from 5 to 7, as well as Friday and Saturday.
We also want to encourage you to attend the annual dinner. It is a fun time to see a lot of our colleagues and friends receive awards and another opportunity for networking. I think what we love so much about this conference is the combination of groups from the EPI to the lifestyle side, and how do we kind of work together and build collaborations in order to build solutions for cardiovascular health. So with that, we welcome you to New Orleans and we hope you enjoy your time.